Eye dissection time. All right, so this is a cow eye. This part right here, it does cloud up after death, but this would be the cornea. It is not solid, it's pretty squishy. Usually it'd be very clear on a living person, but it does cloud up after death. There is this kind of flexible skin-like material all around it that's called bulbar conjunctiva. If you've ever gotten it infected, you've had bulbar conjunctiva infection, it's conjunctivitis or pink eye. All right. The back side of the front. So this, you can still see there's the cornea right there. The hole would be the pupil. And inside here, this layer, that is the iris. So the iris, the colorful part of the eye is right in there. Notice this one has a rectangular pupil. Sheep and goats and many other animals have rectangular pupils. So just kind of a neat fact. All right, bottom of the mushroom, these little stripes. It looks like the gills on the bottom of mushrooms. Those are called the ciliary body. They're going to be pulling on this little ball, the lens. So after death, this thing's hard, but it is a little more flexible in the living. So you can kind of see from here, the hole is the pupil. This part right here is the colorful part of the eye. That is the iris. Then we have the ciliary body. Look how dark it is right here. That is some of the darkest black you'll find in nature. That is the choroid. It's helping to focus the light towards the back of the eye. And we have the lens, that little guy. And now we're on the back side of the eye. You can see that sclera layer very nicely, that white layer. There's some of the choroid. And then this is the retina. The retina is the part that can actually receive light signals. It can recept light. It's got photoreceptors. That's the word I'm looking for. The photoreceptors are rods and cones. So those are all on this retina. Now this is not a human eye. This is a sheep. And sheep, among other animals, have this incredibly beautiful, shiny layer sitting on top of their choroid layer. Looks like the inside of like a oyster. This is called tapetum lucidum. The tapetum lucidum is in animals that are usually prey animals that live, at night. This allows them to be able to see well at night. The light comes in and it reflects around a little bit better. So it really helps them see better at night. That's your night vision. We don't have that. I kind of wish we did. All right. So there's the retina. It all attaches at this one point, and that one point is going to take all that out to the back side, if I can get it to flip. That back side is going to have the optic nerve. There it is. You can kind of see it, this little guy. So there's the optic nerve. You follow that straight through, and that's where the retina attaches. And that happens to be the blind spot. Harder to see in a real eye, but there is a fovus centralis, a central focus point on the retina. I have on occasion seen it in real eyes, but not in this one. This one's a little torn up. So recap, the front of your eye, you have the cornea, the clear part, the pupil, the iris, the ciliary body, the lens, the sclera, the choroid, the back there, the retina, and the tapetum lucidum. Good luck.